Relationships are very important in our lives. They can bring us a lot of happiness, but sometimes they can bring us sadness too. Families are fundamental to our well-being, but so are friendships. Look at Bill and Mary. They are really good friends because they trust each other and have always got on well. Mary doesn't make friends easily. She had a friend at middle school she was very close to. They were best friends. But then they started having rows. They tried to make up a couple of times, but the friendship broke up. Mary and Bill get on well. Mary says she trusts Bill because he is always fair, doesn't cheat on friends, and is always there when she is going through difficult times. So, to be a good friend, you have to be there in difficult times. Mustn't cheat on those close to you. Must always be fair. Don't have to get on well all the time. But if you have a row, remember, you mustn't leave it too long before you make up. Must avoid breaking up a friendship because making friends can be hard. So protect the ones you have.